G'day, welcome to my quoting wizard here for roof insulation. And like I say on the title on the first page, a qualified insulation contractor doesn't actually need to come out and do a site inspection. They really just need the address. But if you answer a few of these questions, it'll certainly help the quote, because sometimes it's hard to identify and sometimes people have got no internal photos from the real estate photos. So if you can tell us how many downlights you've got, exhaust fans, and answer some of these questions, it will certainly make our quoting process a lot faster. So click on those information tabs, and if you click on the one about roofing materials there, you can see here it'll come straight to my website and show you a picture of an iron roof, a tile roof, and a fibro roof. And those there have got links and things to, as you go through it, to different videos and that. Make sure you if you like our content, make sure you share it on Facebook for us and help decrease our marketing costs, and subscribe on our YouTube channel and put some comments for us. That'd be great. Now, that's ceiling type wise. This is what a exposed beam roof looks like from above. Normally they're iron, but often they're tile as well. And this is a wrap over iron roof, just so you know. I'll just scroll down to some more difficult ones. That's a clay tile or terracotta tile roof. And if we scroll all the way down here, that's a fibro roof. So, and if you've got, sometimes you've got a fibro roof and there's a little roof out the back that's a living room, that what used to be a laundry they built in or something, and now it's a kitchen or something. So and maybe that's iron. So if you've got multiple roofs, please tick multiple boxes. And that's for your ceiling types as well. So, and as you go through, this is a metal tile roof, and whatever you do, if you've got a metal tile roof, you'll often get back contractors who'll look up the video, or sorry, look up the real estate photos, and they think that there's a cement tile roof, and they misidentify it, and then they'll send out a subby that doesn't really know. He'll walk on it and kink them, and then they start to leak. So if you've got a metal tile roof, please don't let anybody on your roof, because it's very hard to find qualified people. This is some examples of what happens. That's a kink in the metal tile, and it actually tears the tile because it's really thin aluminium, and it tears it where that kink is, and oftentimes they'll leak. So this roof here's had somebody hop on the roof 1, 2, 3, kink 3 tiles, and then figured out that they should hop off. It's quite difficult to get these metal tiles out too, so we can do it. I've certainly insulated plenty of exposed beam and raked metal tile roofs over the years. One of the indicators that shows this against a normal cement tile is this ridge capping, right? So the ridge capping there is all boxy and square, so from the ground sometimes you can see that. Now, on the next page you'll be asked some more questions about the roof construction type, high set or low set, but on the last page you'll also have an opportunity to take some photos and upload them for us. So yeah, and even a house plan. So if you have that, certainly upload that for us. And remember to like, comment, subscribe, share, all of those things, so then you can help quality tradesmen get work. Bye for now. Oh, and I'll